The iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer offers a convenient and hygienic solution for temperature monitoring. With its advanced features, such as ultra-sensitive sensors, large LED digits, and quiet vibration feedback, this digital infrared thermometer is suitable for use by adults, kids, and even babies. Accurate and reliable temperature measurement. The iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer utilizes advanced infrared technology to provide accurate temperature readings quickly. It features 3 ultra-sensitive sensors that capture infrared energy emitted by the body with high precision. This ensures reliable temperature measurement, allowing users to make informed decisions regarding their health. Clear and easy-to-read display. The thermometer's large LED digits provide a clear and easy-to-read temperature display. The bright display allows for effortless temperature reading, even in dimly lit environments. This feature is particularly helpful when monitoring temperatures during nighttime or in situations where accuracy and speed are essential. Quiet vibration feedback. To further enhance the user experience, the iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer incorporates a quiet vibration feedback system. Once the temperature measurement is complete, the thermometer gently vibrates to notify the user. This discreet feedback ensures that readings are obtained without disturbing sleeping infants or anyone nearby, making it an excellent choice for parents and caregivers. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.